Whētiki nei te manawa ora. Kia kapakaparahi, kia hotohoto nui. Kia pātukitahi, ko tō manawa, ko tōku manawa. Ka ora e.
He rawe ngā kōrero nei.
He kōrero ake tēnei mā tātou katoa.
It talks about having strong and healthy beating hearts. It also touches on unity and harmony. Kia whētiki te manawa ora.
Ka tikara. It also talks about how important it is for us to work together in our fight against rheumatic fever to help us lead strong and healthy lives for ourselves and our whānau.
We need the unity and determination of rangi and papa's tamariki. If your friend or sibling has a sore throat, don't ignore it. Tell an adult right away. Sore throats can lead to rheumatic fever. This can cause lifelong consequences. Ka aroha hoki.
We can't ignore sore throat te hoama. How else will we waiata and haka whākorokoro tui ana, okay?
And remember, treating sore throats early can prevent so much pain later on.
Tawa, I've just remembered. Tawhiri wasn't keen on separating Rangi and Papa.
Yeah, he wasn't keen. He loved the warm awhi of his parents and he couldn't understand why his siblings wanted to separate them. I think we should also embrace each other and take care of one another.
Our whare, our kāinga are like Rangi and Papa's embrace. Ahuru mowai to keep us safe, dry and warm with the people we love most. Even though Tawhiri wasn't keen on the separation, we can use his winds to protect our homes from any threats. Ka pai Tawhiri mātea, ngā mihi.
Ka tika hoki, hua ki nā ngā wene kia pūrea ngā hau o Tawhiri mātea. Kaitoa rū mātiki e.
Prevention and great change is a journey we can take together, just like Ranginui and Papa Tōnuku's kids. It's not just about medicine, it's about lifestyle, awareness and communities.
Ai Māori kai huama, te manaakitanga me te whanaungatanga. With the knowledge we have gained, let's turn our focus towards strengthening our whānau.
Join us in the next part of our journey and ko tō manawa, ko tōku manawa.
And let's make sure our hearts beat in unison forever.